If you're a new creator, a small creator struggling to get views here on YouTube, and you are not hopping on this newest strategy that a lot of creators are using to blow up their channel, you are missing out big time. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing step-by-step strategies you can use to blow up your channels. I'm not going to take much of your time. All you need to do, pay attention from start of this video to the end. So after you might have created your content, the editing, everything, you have uploaded it on YouTube, don't send it public immediately. Put it on private, or if possible unlisted. Come back for the title. Now let's say the title you created is how to get more views on YouTube. So what you should do is that you come to this YouTube search bar here, you write how to get more views. How to get more views. Then you now search. They are looking for the creators that create this content, and the content perform very, very well. Now look at these videos here. This one says how to get more views on YouTube fast. This one got 26,000 views. It's okay. This one said how to get more views on YouTube 2026 strategy 1 year ago. No, we are not going to use this. This is 1 year ago. If you want to use content like this, use the one that is like 5 months, 6 months, 7 months. Don't use the ones that have passed a year. So you use current one. This one says how to upload videos to the right way to get views. This one also get views. We have 393,000 views. The views is okay. So let's look for some of them. How to get more views on YouTube 6 months ago. We can actually use this one. The months are still close. How to get more views on YouTube 5 months ago. Okay. How to upload your video. Okay, let's look for something that is somehow close. Okay, let's go for this person. Let's click on her video. So remember, you have already uploaded your video, but you have not put it on public. It's still on private. Let's pause this advert. So it's still on private. So what you are going to do is that you are going to collect something from her. Yes, it's not stealing, we are just collecting it from her. Then we click on her field description. Now let's see the kind of description she used for her video. Here you go. He said get more views on YouTube. You want to increase your YouTube views, take your channel to the next level. This is actually good. So what we are going to do is that we are going to take something. We are not going to, we just copy the description. It's copy with copy. So if you are copying, please copy both the hashtags that she used. It's very, very important. So let's copy the hashtag that she used. Good. We copy it, then we head straight to ChatGPT. That's why I tell you, we are not stealing it, we are just taking it. So when we get to ChatGPT, we click it here. So we just paste it. Let me use voice. Let me just paste it here. So this is what we got from her. I will now tell ChatGPT to help me rank this description high. I'll just click here. So you see, ChatGPT is going to generate something. It will not be closer to her, but it will be closer to her own, because I'm still going to read it out. He said here, we want to get more views on YouTube and grow your channel faster. So if your videos are not getting views, blah 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 blah, you see, ChatGPT have given us closer to what she have, but this is not what she have there. So the most important thing you should try avoid is copying that description from her channel direct and placing it on your own channel. This can get you into trouble. It can get your channel into trouble. So once you copy that description, make sure you come back to ChatGPT to check something, to change something on that description. ChatGPT will help you, give you something related to what she have. You understand? So just press on it, copy everything, copy the description and the hashtags, copy everything, then you go straight to your own channel. The video you have already prepared. So I have one video here. I can actually use it for this teaching. Now let's go and check it. Okay, let me just use something like that. for this teaching. So come to this place more, click on the description, copy the description. The description we copied, you'll paste it here. Good, everything is good. So we'll go back to her channel. We are not through with her channel. We'll go back to her channel. So we are going to look for if she used hashtags for her videos. It's like she did not, okay, she used tags. The tags she used, YouTube, what you do is that you copy this tag as well. Let's say some channel can have more than, let's say more than 20 or 100 tags. But if you are copying tags, you want to use tags for your video, don't take more than 400 characters, because if you take more than 400 characters, it will not save on your video. So copy the tags as well. We take it to ChatGPT. Copy. We take it to ChatGPT to help us rank this high and make it less than 400 characters. Let's see what ChatGPT will give us. ChatGPT will bring tags for us. At least the tags I gave ChatGPT was small, so it brought something for us. What you do is just copy the tags, go back to that your channel and put it on that place. So once you are through with that place, you now come and do other necessary things that you need to do on your channel. After you are putting your tags, your description, don't just rush out. Make sure you save. It will show I have saved. That's why it's blank like this. It will show pure black here. You just save it. Then after that, you come back and do other necessary things. Add related videos. You make sure you add another video. That related video helps to advertise your other videos in your channel. So we have add to playlist. Make sure you put your videos on playlist. It helps people to watch what we call bench watch on your channel. Keep people on your channel. If you don't know how to create playlist, watch this video over here. That will teach you how to do that. So the next thing you do is that you come to this place that says altered content. This place says altered content. Please don't ignore this place. If your videos are like AI videos, faceless channel or face channel, just try identify here. Don't leave it blank. Another thing is tags. You put your tags here. The tags you copy from her, you place them here. Then you put it as you know how it used to be. So another thing you will do for your video is that after you are through with this place, make sure it's not on made for kids. If it's made for kids, it's going to affect your views. No matter how you prepare that video, it will affect your views. So the next thing you do is that you head straight to your Chrome version. That place you'll be able to add your card. You know what card is? These two videos that always appear, this video that always appear by the side up there is what we call card, and there's end screen. The two videos or one or three that may come out on your channel, you put them there. And your card also, you can add up to 5 cards on your video. It helps you get your video suggested. It helps your video to appear on suggested videos. That is what card does to your video. And end screen. Good. So you place your cards and your end screen, and also make sure you save the moment you finish adding everything. I tell you, if you use this for your channel is going to pick up. You are going to get views. Why this description and titles will definitely work for your channel is because this title and thumbnail have already proven to YouTube that this very content is actually good. So this is already proven. If you create that content, if you prepare your own related to her own, YouTube is going to suggest your video, suggesting your video side to side with big creators. That is one thing this does. It helps you to get more visibilities, get more recommended on YouTube. The moment you finish, make sure you save your videos. So guys, I know you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for showing up. See you in my next video.